constructor, connected callback, rendered callback, error callback, and disconnected callback. So constructor is the component, the method which is being triggered when the component is initiated, and connected callback is when the component is inserted to the DOM element. It's displayed. And rendered callback is every time there is a change, a reactive change to the variables, the component would be rendered again, and this method would be called. And error callback is whenever there is an error in your child components, that would be handled with the error callback. And disconnected callback is when your DOM component is removed from the DOM. Once the component is closed and all, if it's removed from the DOM, that method would be triggered. So these are the 5 life cycles.
Okay, fine.
If I want to apply the styles based on the template loaded on them, how I can. If without CSS, how we can do it? If you want to apply the styles based on the templates loaded, and then how it apply the styles based on the template without CSS. Is that what you mean? You want to apply styles on the template and without CSS. Okay, so styles means you have on the template you can add a class without using CSS. You can add class which has, you can use SLDS for standard lightning designs which Salesforce provide. You can just mention what style you want on the template class attribute, and you don't need to use CSS. You have specific Salesforce provided classes that would apply the styles automatically. You can just add it in your class, or you can add it in, if you want to manually add the styles, you can add it in style equal to like padding or font size or anything there. Can you explain about LDS in LWC? So LDS is Lightning Data Services in LWC. So LDS is basically what helps LWC, which is like a client server connect with like Salesforce backend data. So LDS connects anything. So it would connect with Salesforce data, like all record data and all, and that would be available in LWC. So there are multiple methods which you can use, which LDS provides, that would get records from backend or create records or something. That it is reactive. It can use wire attributes, and that can make it reactive, and it would be connected in real time. Yeah, that's, for example, I have a component A and component B. System admin UI should be component A. Another user it's B. For system admin UI should be component A. Okay, another user it's B. In LWC where you code it, because HTML is server side. Okay. For example, component A and B. Okay, so you have 2 LWC components, and you for admin, you want to display component A, and for admin, another user, you want to display component B. HTML template A, HTML template B. Okay, so for admin, system admin, get user who is being used Okay. I think you get user info, which profile the user contains, right? So which profile the user contain, you can get that in LWC without going to server side. That's I think that's what I mean. Okay. So in LWC, you can import, I think, an LDS service which would hold the user data. So you can use that profile of that user to check, to check if condition. You can add an if condition and see. So you get the data from in in your JavaScript, and you add a flag so that if it is a system admin, your flag will be set to true. If not, it's set to false. And in your LWC HTML, you set like if true, template if true, this flag, then it would show whatever the system admin should see. Otherwise, it would show what other should see. Component B.
Okay, fine then. Okay, fine, Junima. We'll get back to you. Our team will get back to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you can leave the meet.